Hey guys, so I'm in my Tesla Y today and I'm gonna see if I could add some more power to the car today, and I got that in this box, 2 items. Okay, let's see what's in this box. Alright, first I got some more USB power ports. I'm going to be adding more power ports, USB ports. So this should fit really nicely with the Tesla Y. It's made for it, and it should fit inside that tray, and we'll give it a shot. Next up, I got this wing that's going to give it a more powerful look. Yes, I'm messing with you guys, but this is a really inexpensive wing. It doesn't come with adhesive tapes, but I got some adhesive tapes of my own I can use. Okay, so the power ports go in here, and it's going to work with these USB. Let's see if you can see it. These USB ports that are inside of here. And these ports are a little bit hard to get to because, you got a lot of crap that's here, and the crap piles up and it often covers the ports. So this is going to make it a little bit easier to access those ports. But in addition, these are only USB-C ports. The new power port should give me USB-A too, which is what most of my devices are in. Alright, so let's give this box a look. It comes with some instructions right here. Let's take a look at the device itself. Alright, so that's a pretty good looking device. It even says Tesla on it, so which is pretty cool. So what it does is it just uses those ports, and it tries to be very seamless in this application. Let's take off the sticker. Alright. So it's, oh, nice. So it's got these retractable lines. That's really cool. I like that, actually. Okay, take that off, and it's got the ports, USB-C-A and USB-C. Okay, let's install this. It should be pretty easy. So I should be able to install this with one hand while I'm holding the camera. You can see I'm just going to plug that in. And then I'm going to plug this guy in. Alright, so those two things are plugged in. And this guy should be able to just wedge in there. So let's see, we turn it to the side first. Okay, so you kind of have to turn it sideways to get it down into that slot. And you just kind of twist it and slide it back. Look at that. That's nice and streamlined. Oh man, that looks like it belongs. Beautiful. I think I like it. So again, you got these ports right here, which are retractable. This cable is pretty long. Pull it all the way out. Get it back in addition to these. Really cool. This is a USB-C, and this is a lightning cable. I really like it. It looks perfect. Okay, next up on my quest for more power is the spoiler. And the spoiler is just going to fit over the back like that. Nothing fancy. And I'm going to use the adhesive tape. So let's clean this up and install my more powerful look spoiler. So it comes with these wipes for you to wipe it down if you don't have the alcohol. They're adhesion promoter wipes. I'm going to wipe the inside of this too. Alright, I got that cleaned up. Let's get some adhesion. So I got some adhesive right here, two-sided. And I'm going to install it along the whole edge. Okay, so I got some double-sided adhesive on the edge, along the inside, not at the edge. Let's double check my mock-up. Okay, I'm going to want it right there. Okay, so I'm going to just use a little tape to mark where I want it to start. And take off my adhesive on the other side. Just Alright, take out that sticker. Let's take a look. Alright. Spoiler will definitely give me a more powerful look. No more power,